One of the best way to generate income online is solo ads. I mean, imagine you can earn high profit margins by simply sending high quality promotional emails for your clients. It is quite easy even if you are a beginner as it does not require any high level of coding, skills or any technical stuff. Plus, it is very viable as you can always start selling as small as 100 clicks, and once you become a pro, you can even start selling a package of 10,000 clicks. Hi guys, my name is Ishan Narang, and in this video I am gonna give a 5-step guide on how to be a solo ad vendor. So just grab your notepads, pen and paper and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now without any further delay, let's move to our first step, which is choose a niche. Identifying your niche and positioning yourself in a certain niche within a marketplace is a crucial, whether you run an online or an offline business. So you need to choose a niche for yourself, and that includes what type of niche you want to serve for. For example, there are multiple solo ad vendors who have a list of email interested in health niche, make money online niche, cryptocurrency niche and so on. So you need to choose your niche and then move further. Like I am into a make money online niche, so I have a list of subscribers who wants to make money online. For example, let's say John is an affiliate marketer and is promoting a make money online offer. So he wants an email list that is interested in make money online offer. Of course, he cannot buy solo ads from health niche, right? So pick a niche and then start serving solo ads. My recommendation here is to pick make money online niche. Okay, so now our second step is get a web hosting. After you have decided on your niche, the next logical step is to set up your website, and that you will be needing a web hosting partner. So you can actually build your website. So anyone who has access to the internet can have access to your website. And I would suggest BigRock and GoDaddy are the two such options that help you to get your domain name, provide various web hosting services. Like you can see Shelly's website trafficforgrowth.com. I have created this website on GoDaddy, and in this way I am representing my business through my website, and people know that we serve solo ads in make money online niche. Now on to the third step. After selecting your niche, you will be needing an email marketing software, or in simple words, an autoresponder. These kind of software can perform a lot of tasks, from growing your own list of email subscribers to giving your customized email template. They also provide you a sign up form, landing pages, e-commerce tool and a lot more. There is a lot of options available on internet, but before you go picking your email marketing software, you should keep a few tips in mind. Firstly, you should keep in mind that in today's world, most folks check their emails on their smartphones, right? So for obvious reason, you should choose an email marketing software that works on both Android and iOS platform. And secondly, you should choose a software that provides you a wide range of email template which covers newsletters, announcements, promotions, etc. In my view, GetResponse is a great email marketing software for beginners. And now moving on to the fourth step, which is to get to a marketplace. A marketplace can be any platform like Facebook, Udemy, where your potential buyers may hang out. So all you have to do is to pay a platform like Udemy, in this case, a very small fee to let you sell your services on their website. Well, you have to pay a fee for it, but it's worth it in my opinion, because it helps you to make more money than selling it on your own. So I recommend Udemy as a good site for you to begin with, where you can sell your ads easily. Although you always have to test the water in case of selecting a good marketplace. We all know Facebook is a social media platform, and you would be surprised to see that your target audience hangs all day there. So what you can do is you can join a group related to your niche. Like as I said, I am in make money online niche, so I am a part of various Facebook groups. How to find and join those groups, we will be talking in our upcoming video. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, our next step is sending email broadcast. Okay, so now when you are all set with your marketplace, you have an order which you need to fulfill. So you can get started on your work or by sending emails. Broadcasting emails should not be taken easily, as this could be the bridge between you and your list. Keep in mind not to overdo the emails or avoid informal language. After all, you don't want your subscribers to block you or unsubscribe you. Last but not the least, step number 5 is buying clicks. Now you might question, why would I need to buy a click if I can already have them through my email list? Well, let's say if you have sold a solo ad with a guarantee of 500 visitors to a buyer website and only 100 visitors actually clicked your ad. Now you can buy the rest of 100 clicks from another solo ad vendor and send your ad to their list, and that's how you can complete your target. So these were the steps to help you to become a solo ad vendor. Hopefully this will help you down the road. At last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be part of my community, I want you to join my Facebook group. Link is already mentioned in the description box below. Go and join it right now. I look forward to engaging with you in this group and I will see you there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it so far, guys. Bye bye. Cheers.